indicator, horn, etc. works on this auxiliary battery. So this is a common component in any type of vehicle. Okay. Then there should be an electric generator. Okay. In the previous case, we have seen generator helps in charging the battery. Okay. Transmission system, right? So then we will be having an IC engine, this red color, whatever you can see. This is an IC engine. Once IC engine is there, there should be an exhaust pipe. Correct? Exhaust pipe, after burning the fuel, whatever smoke is left out, it will be giving out. Okay. Then there should be a fuel tank also to store the fuel. Right? So electric generator we have a motor, electric traction motor or electric motor we call it as, right? Motor. Then we will be having an engine. So here we have both engine as well as a motor, both. You can see a common shaft will drive the rear wheels. Okay. So this represents an hybrid electric vehicle, right? So these are the different components of hybrid vehicle. You can list down the different components. Any doubts you can discuss here. In the next one by one component, we will be studying in detail. Please take down the different components. Okay, so we will move to the next one by one component we will discuss in detail. Yeah, so this is a powertrain. So how the components are arranged. In an electric car also we had studied this block diagram. So this is with respect to a hybrid vehicle. There will be an engine. Okay, so engine will directly drive the wheels as well as it will drive the generator also. Generator in turn will charge the battery. Okay, so from the battery the motor will be running. Okay, and it will give the power to the transmission. Here you are getting the power to the transmission from the battery as well as from the engine, from both the modes, depending on drive situation. See, at the end of this module, I have given one link, okay, of a Lexus car, which is a hybrid car, which has both plug-in and petrol mode. Okay, there you can clearly see. If you click on that link, there are 5 different driving conditions. How this power will be used from different sources, you can understand easily. So in general here, engine will drive the differential directly, I mean wheels directly, as well as a part of the power will be used to recharge the battery, so that both the power shafts will drive the transmission system as a whole. So this is called as the hybrid electric vehicle powertrain. How the powertrain will be there. Okay, so this is a series connection. For a time being, you can understand this much. If it is a parallel, it will be, I mean, electric path will be different and the IC engine path will be different. 2 different shafts will be there. Right? So this is the most popular type of powertrain used in a hybrid electric vehicle. You can take down the block diagram. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Okay, we will move to the next. Okay, so different components. So we just now saw the powertrain of a hybrid electric vehicle. So what are the important components? As I discussed, the first and foremost is the gasoline engine, that is the petrol engine. Okay, this remains to be the main power source for the engine. Second will be the electric motor. We can call it as the sub power source. Okay, so finally we will get power from both gasoline engine as well as the electric motor. So that is why it is called as a hybrid vehicle. The second important component is the electric motor. So this is the feature that makes the vehicle really hybrid. Correct. The electric motor has the ability to accelerate the vehicle by taking the power from the battery, whereas gasoline engine will take the power from the fuel and it will also drive the drive time. So the third important component is where does the gasoline engine get the fuel from? From a fuel tank. You need to have a fuel tank, maybe of a smaller quantity. Say for example, roughly 35 to 40 liters tank. Instead of having it, you can have a 20-liter tank, because only we have an electric motor also, so that you can have a small fuel tank here. So you will still have a fuel tank to store your gasoline like in a conventional vehicle. Yeah. In hybrid fuel car, the fuel used will not be as much as that. I gave you one example of Honda City. Okay, if you buy a Honda City conventional regular petrol engine car, it will never give you efficiency, that is mileage above 15 kilometers. Whereas the recently launched hybrid Honda City, if you see, the expected mileage is around 28 kilometers. Right? So like that, it will give you a better fuel efficiency, right? Comparatively. Please make a note. The first is gasoline engine, second is the electric motor, and third is the fuel tank. These are the three important components.